Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on basic mid-game tactics. This would be board number 7 from section 1 of chapter 10, which deals with checkmating techniques involving the central cannon. Now in this puzzle, either color would win if it went first. So we will go through red delivering a checkmate if it went first, followed by black delivering a checkmate after it went first. Now a quick analysis of the situation will show that red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse, full guard. Black would have exactly the same material, 2 chariots, 1 horse, 1 cannon, and a full guard. So for red to go first, the first move would be f1 plus 9 to deliver a check. Now this is a very brilliant sacrifice, forcing the king to move out. The advisor cannot retreat or the cannon will be delivering a check. So once the king was moved out, it will be in the scope of the red horse, which will deliver a check with h1 plus 2. Now if the king can only move in, now let's say if the king moved back to its original position, red will checkmate with the horse cannon checkmate. So by moving forward, red would now deliver a check using one of the 2 ways. The first would be to play r3 equals to 4, forcing a check. Black can only erase the advisor, and this would be a checkmate because the horse will now be protecting the chariot. The king cannot move in, or the cannon will be delivering a check. Now another way would be to play r3 plus 2 to deliver a check, and it will not matter whether the king advanced or retreated. Red will now deliver a discover check with this move. The horse will be delivering a check, the king cannot move, and this will be a checkmate also. So this would be the first example, the first method whereby red went first. So now black would deliver a similar checkmate if it went first. Also, he would use the same technique as red, delivering a check if black went first, forcing the king out. Check. Again, if the king moved back in, black would deliver a checkmate in this manner. This would be a horse cannon checkmate. So the king can only move out, and black would deliver a checkmate in this manner. So as can be seen, of all the possible combinations, combination of one chariot, 1 horse, and 1 cannon is the best, or provides the most variations possible for delivering a checkmate. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the video. Thank you.